Dramatic art. Presenting sanskar with entertainment is a unique features of Indian dramatic art. Sanskar is all about culture. So dramas were used for presenting our culture, our thoughts. So it was present in an entertainment way, in a story way, in a poet way, in a dance form. So everything is dramatical. Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni is well known in the field. Drama is actually the amalgamation of all the arts. Amalgamation means combination. It consists everything. Stories, song, fight, action, drama, everything. So likewise, it's an amalgamation. Bharat Muni describes drama as there is no book, there is no sculpture, there is no knowledge, there is no deed. Deed means act, which is lacking in dramatic art. So everything is included. So everything is combined in the drama. That's why in ancient time drama was very famous. The first drama of Bharat Muni was of Devasur Sangra. Bas is a poet. He has also invented many dramas like Karnabar, Urubangar that was totally based on Mahabharata. So likewise, many poets were there who were taking the ideas from the Mahabharata and Ramayana. Likewise, Kalidas was also very famous poet who has gifted us many important plays like Abhigyam Shakuntalam, Vikramu Varshikam and Malvi Kangani Mitram. All these are the plays, all these are the dramas that were made up of the poems of Kalidas. There was other poet, other dramatic artist. His name was Jayashankar Sundari. He was very famous Gujarati drama artist. Besides Jayashankara, Amrut Nayak, Bapula Nayak, Bena Phatak, Praveen Josh, all these were remarkable writers who have dedicated their life in this dramatic art. Now, next is Bhavani. Bhavani was studied by ancient Thakkar. That is given over here. See the picture. This Bhavani was totally based on society problem. It was started 700 years ago. Now let's talk about how this drama was played. So this drama was played without using any curtains with light humor. Humor means with little comedy, and with the help of musical trumpet they used to perform this drama. The theme of the Bhavani was totally related to the social problem like girl child education, save the girl child, etc. Now, next is folk dance of Gujarat. The big state of Gujarat consists of different varieties of people, and at the same time it has a unique traditional and cultural dance form. There are varieties of dance form belonging to different communities of Gujarat. Communities like tribal. Tribal means Adivasi. So tribal dance is there, folk dance is there, Garba, Rasa and many more folk dances are there that is totally related to the cultural and traditions of Gujarat. Such art of dance can be seen at the time of festival, marriages and fair. As a Gujarati people, they love to dance Garba in each and every occasions with their enthusiasm, with their energy. So what they do is, while playing Garba, they take circles with sticks and they play Garba enjoyfully. So in all the festivals, marriage function and fair. Fair means Mela. Also Gujarati people play Garba. So that is what the specialty about Gujaratis Garba. Next is tribal dance. That means dance of Adivasis. Tribal dance of Gujarat is played during the time of festival, marriage functions or fair. And through this dance, they praise their god and goddesses. While dancing, they use many musical instruments as shown over here, like drums, traditional manjira, thali, dolak. So with all these musical instruments, they just bring a life in this dance form. And while doing dance, songs are also sang in their own regional language, that is Adivasi language. The another dance form, that is Chadu, where different animals characters are imitated like peacock, squirrel and sparrows. So likewise, there are varieties of dance that also shows their tribute to the nature. That is why such characters are imitated in this dance. Dance like Malino Chalo and Chakryo Chalo are seen in Dang region of Surat, whereas Tipni dance of laborer are performed by Koli communities. So they perform this dance by using stick as shown in this picture. So they use the stick, with the help of the stick they perform this dance. So there are different types of dances that are performed in specific region. So on the basis of their culture, on the basis of their tradition, dances are different. Now let's talk about Garba. Garba is derived from a Sanskrit word, that is Garb Deep. It means it honors, worship and celebrate the feminine form of divinity. Feminine means female. Divinity means angel. So this Garba dance is totally honoring the female. This dance is played with the help of earthen lamp, and this pot is placed over the head and move around in a circular form, and they play Garba. Most of the Garbas are played usually during Navaratri festival only. So according to the Hindu calendar, there are different names, that is Aso Sud Ekam to Aso Sud Naumi, or somewhere up to Dasam or on Sharad Puna. So all these are the part of Gujarat. So that is what we are talking about. Gujarati people perform, sing and dance Garba to worship and pray Mother Jagadamba. So this Garba is played by encircling Mandavi as shown in this picture. So Mandavi is placed at between. Around this Mandavi, Gujarati people, they form a circle and they play Garba by listening the beats of the drums. Gujarati poetry known as Garba and Garbi are totally associated with Krishna Bhakti. In Gujarati, the poet Dayaram has written many poems in Gujarati which made ladies sing the colorful and emotional Garbi of Lord Krishna's love. So this Garba is totally devoted to the Lord Krishna, his events and his love stories. And that is what Garba is all about. Rasa. Rasa is a dance that is totally based on the stories of Lord Krishna. There is a saying that Lord Krishna had shown this dance, that is Ras Leela, to his Bhakt Narasimha Mehta. So this Rasa dance is performed in circle along with singing. This dance is a famous folk dance of Gujarat that is played during Navaratri and Janmashtami festivals. Dandiya Rasa is one of the types of Rasa. Many people, they hold earthen pot over their head and they perform this Rasa. Because of the Vaishnav community, because of their influence, Rasa was very famous. Let us talk about the dressing style. Female wear embroidered chaniya choli, whereas male wear embroidered khediya dhoti. So while playing Rasa, they wear such dresses and they perform beautiful steps with the flow of the music. And that is what Rasa is all about. Now let's talk about the other regional dances of Gujarat. For example, Guf Gutan dance. Guf Gutan dance is also called as Atanga Nritya. It is performed on the basis of drum beats with tal and lay of the music. That means, according to the music, the dancers add dance steps into it. Group dance is performed by holding rope in one hand and dandiya in the other, as shown in this picture. In a circular motion, they perform this dance. So, this style of dance is called Guf Gutan dance. Dhamal dance of Siddhis. Siddhis are Adivasi group of people who live in the center of Gir forest. They are basically from Africa. They perform dance by using their self-made instrument with cloth and coconut shell. They perform this dance by wearing peacock feathers and hold small drums in hands, performing a circle. Likewise, they add steps into this dance. While dancing, they produce ho ho sound which echoes in the whole forest. Such sound imitates the voice of animal and birds. So here they perform this dance to imitate animal and the beauty of the nature. That is what Dhamal dance of Siddhis. Now let's talk about the last topic of the chapter, Merio dance, Padar dance, Koli and Mer dance. Let's first start with Merio dance. This is a type of dance that is played near Stepwell of Banaskantha region. Toran is stitched with the tall grass of reed and jugdi which is worn by the dancers. This dance is performed by playing drums and sword tricks. This type of dance is called Merio dance. Now second is Padar dance. Padar dance is performed by the Padar community who lives in Surendranagar region. They perform this dance with tal and lay of dandiya and manjira. While dancing, they generate scenes like a sea wave or like a ship moving on sea waves. So this is how Padar dance is performed by Padar community. Koli dance. Koli dance is a famous dance of Saurashtra region. The speciality of this Koli dance is in their costume that they wear while performing this dance. They wear headgear, that is turban, decorated with embroidery and mirrors tied with green colored embroidered belt. They wear beth on their waist to perform this Koli dance as shown in this first picture. Similarly to the Koli dance, there is Mere dance of Saurashtra and other dances of Barwad tribe are well known in this region. So here we talked about the different dance forms of Gujarat. Likewise, we have finished with this chapter. Thank you.